I didn't expect for the disease to be as advanced as it is. I didn't expect, like, the pictures didn't really do it justice, you know, it didn't show the severity of the disease. I was heartbroken, totally heartbroken that these kids have never received any treatment.
I'm here today in Kunchene, a village in the upper western region in Ghana. They are afflicted with a skin disorder. It's very treatable. These children do not have to look like this. It's not contagious. You can't catch it by touching them and loving them. And we need help to get them some treatment that they deserve. Their suffering is very long. We need help from Ghana. We need help from the United States. We need help from the entire world. Money, clothing, supplies, medical care, doctors, nurses that are willing to help, that have knowledge and expertise. We need it all, and we need it quickly. These children have suffered long enough. Thank you.